Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a social media automation beast where you can trigger a message from Slack channel and convert it into social media postings for LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or even create blogs for your website. I'm going to show you how this works. It is designed in a way that even if you send a voice note or a text message or a web URL on a Slack message, it will trigger the workflow, went into the stream where it is defined as voice note or text or URL, convert it into running ChatGPT prompts into the desired content, and then optimize it for social media platforms, create an image, put this into Google Sheets for you to approve. And once you approve it, it will just post it on the platforms. So let's see how it works. We'll first go in our Slack channel and say I came up with something, how manual processes are cumbersome, and just post it. It could be a random thought that came into my mind, and I want to create a social media post and post it on my website or on social media platforms. And now let's go on our workflow. I've set it to run once a day, but you can set it up for like 15 minutes or immediate. Let's not wait and let's click on that. Because it was a text, it went into text workflow and it's now creating, running through ChatGPT prompts and creating the content. So this is the text workflow. This is an audio workflow and this is a URL workflow. And now it is creating prompts through content through ChatGPT, creating an image. And once it is completed, then it will post it into Google Sheets, Facebook, Insta, and LinkedIn. So the first one is completed. Let's go to our spreadsheet and see how it has created. So this is the content command I gave in Slack. And this is, it has created for LinkedIn. It just posted for Facebook and it will post for Instagram as soon as it completes. Probably take a few more seconds. Let's just wait for it. And the spreadsheet is designed in a way that we will have to approve. Only then it will go on our social media platforms because they are public platforms. So we want to review the content first, and then we can display it on our pages or profiles. Let's post it for Instagram as well. We can directly post the content on platforms as well, but we have kept it as a check, which is like most likely required by people who want to activate the social media or actively run social media. So let's go into our next workflow, which is going to approve, which is going to see if the post has been approved and post it according to the platforms because it is set as the time. So you just manually run it for now. And let's just say, okay, this is the post I saw for LinkedIn. I like the post and let's say I'll just type in yes. As soon as I type in yes, it will capture the data from yes, went into the workflow and posted it on LinkedIn. Now let's go on LinkedIn and see if it has posted. Let's go in the post section and see this has been posted about the manual work, the command that we gave. Based on that, it created the content, optimized it according to requirements of LinkedIn and posted it. And also we kept it as a pitch. So it added a few lines about us. Like, hey, I'm Zain. I specialize in automating sales and operations. So like once the post and at the end, it automatically included the pitch of our business, and it's going to be different and aligned with the postings, with the content of the postings. This is for LinkedIn. Let's try out for Facebook. We go back to the social sheet. Let's say wait for new data, and let's say we're going to post it on Facebook. Let's type in yes. The workflow triggered and it detected it was for Facebook, so it went on Facebook and created a post for Facebook as well. You can see which what the post it has created according to the Facebook customization, and then again it added a line about our business, and then again it's a unique line for every post, and it went on our Facebook page. Same way we can do for Instagram, we can do for WordPress, Twitter, any mediums can be integrated in it. So it has become like a social media beast, like with just one message or a URL or a voice note, the workflow will trigger and automatically create the postings. Let's now see for how it creates post for voice notes. Let's go back into Slack. I can just record some notes, just a random idea. Hi, it's raining today, and I saw that a lot of people are just running towards their offices. And when I went into the office, I saw there are lines, there are queues of people, there are people working manually, like clerical tasks, just to show and just to make sure things are working in the correct order. There is a huge workforce over there working on it. But I'm just thinking, if 500 people are entering the building, what would happen with the automations? Are those 500 going to remain over there, or is it going to be different? Now let's just post it. We'll post it on Slack channel, which is integrated with our workflow. Let's go back to our social media beast workflow and then run it. It's running. Now it went into the upper workflow where it was designed for voice notes. It went through ChatGPT. There are some extra steps because to convert voice notes into HTML, into wording, it went through some different steps. And then again, it is now creating the content for one of the social mediums. The top one is for LinkedIn. And now it's going through another prompt. And then same way, it will be added into the Google Sheets. We have to mark because we are like manually running it. So I'll just activate it. That's looking for new data. Because I've said in a way that it will automatically run every minute. But even then, without waiting, we'll just go and continue and just go on that Google Sheet, which is integrated, and see what content has created. The input is an audio message. Let's see, this one is an audio message. Okay, so this is created for LinkedIn. See, from the content, we gave the command to voice note, rainy days at work. Picture this, it's pouring outside and you're dirting past puddles, racing to reach the office. So based on the command, it created the content. I mentioned like 500 employees, etc., etc. It captured everything, created the content. And when I press yes in this, let's see, the magic happened. Now it went to the workflow for LinkedIn, and the article and the content just went on. Let's just refresh and see if the new content is posted. So you can see now it's here. There was the previous post, and now the new post has been activated into it. This is how all platforms work. This is an amazing workflow. Like within a few clicks, you can activate your entire social media funnel. Your presence on all those platforms will be very visible, and you can easily gain clients. You can make your online presence more solid. You can create a perception about your brand by posting stuff about your company, about your business. um, and a lot more can be done through these workflows, like a lot more integrations can be done through this workflow. For example, if you want to create a blog through it, it will just create a blog article in a unique way, post it on your website, post it on your other mediums. And through that blog, you can also create social media posting. So there could be different workarounds, different cases where the automation could be used. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to answer and help you out by with creating this workflow for your own self. And also to mention, everything is customizable. Like your prompts can be customized. If you want to add your own commands, assistants, you can integrate everything within ChatGPT. You can integrate Claude, DeepSeek, or Perplexity. Anything can be integrated within this workflow. It's complex. It's very easily to start and easy to activate. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.